So video ads or for YouTube is run through Google Ads. So it's through the same account. It's not through a YouTube account at all. You need to set up a Google Ads account if you haven't got one. Once you're in your interface, you go to your campaigns, and then just like you would set up a new campaign, click the plus button. New campaign. Now you've got all these various options available. You can easily get started without campaign goal guidance, but that does not mean that you are not setting up a conversion tracking. Before you reach here, I would highly recommend that you go and set up your conversion. Now a conversion could be anything. It could be a page view of an important page. It could be an email subscriber. It could be somebody who signs up for your lead magnet, or anyone who makes a purchase on your website. So just make sure that you have set up your conversion tracking. And another important thing is that you go to your tools and settings, and then from linked accounts, you set up or link up your YouTube channel to the Google Ads account. It's fairly straightforward. It's a matter of a couple of clicks. So from here you will go into your linked accounts and you will get the YouTube channel linked in. So you got to link up your account. So that's very important. So then you go in, when you hover over here, you will see along the bottom campaign types. So for the website traffic, you can go for search, display, shopping, video, discovery, video, display.